Hello friends, welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. A towel is an essential item in every household, so today I'm going to show you different ways of their storage, one of which you will find most suitable for you. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. For this first method we are going to use a special box of a rather large size, where you can fold the towels vertically. When folding, take into account the height and the width of the box, so you can use all the available space in the most rational way. It's convenient to store towels in boxes on the very bottom shelves, as well as on the top shelves. In both cases, all we have to do is to pull the box out. The towels are neatly stored and well protected from dust. A hanging closet organizer is an interesting option when it comes to storing towels. Here you can sort towels by colors and family members. Each person will be able to get his or her own towel from its shelf without messing up the order on other shelves. Fold your towels however you want, the classic way, in stacks, or by simply rolling them either in a regular way or in a spa style. Fold the corners, turn the towel over and carefully roll it like a scroll. It's best to fold it as tight as possible, then take the corners and tuck them inside. That's all. In a hanging organizer like this, the towels will always be well categorized by family members and by their purpose. Storing towels in a bin works great for a bathroom. In this case, it's best to roll the towels. It has a stylish look to it and works for those who like to change their towels frequently. Thus, they won't have time to collect dust and will always be within reach. And of course, you can keep a bin with towels like that on a shelf in a closet. This method I personally like to use myself. If you devote one chest just for towels and bedding, then all the towels will be stored in one place. It's a good idea to keep towels here vertically. It's a pleasure opening these drawers, and most importantly, you can easily find any towel you need. Today I'm gonna demonstrate to you a compact way of storing towels on a shelf, folded in a special way. To do that, fold the towel any way you like. Then take one end and tuck it inside the other end. The advantage of this way of folding is that it holds its shape. As they decrease in number, they don't fall apart and scatter all over the shelf, but instead remain in place. If you have a tall shelf with a lot of upper space left unused, I suggest you install something like a sliding shelf or a special organizer for the upper part of the cabinet, or maybe even two tension rods that can serve as a shelf for towel storage. As for this method, it certainly is creative. This pull-out hanger in the closet was originally designed for hanging pants, however, it's perfect for hanging large towels as well. As you pull this hanger out, you'll get an excellent overview and an easy access to all the towels. A file holder is another creative way to store small towels. Simply put rolled towels inside the file holder and store it away. You can even combine this method with the classic way of storing towels next to each other on the same shelf. A simple hanger can also be useful for storing towels. It's a slightly uncommon way where you can just hang your towels in the closet. To save space, you can use the good old hack with a can tab. With its help, you can hang 2 or more hangers in a more space-efficient way. Did you guys organize your shoes? If you need some inspiration, please watch this video about shoe organization. If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!